FragWatch here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Santalli Aagaz S1-0-O, I think. Yeah, it stands for optical. Size 1-optical. Sweet. This is the Mirage edition. Check it out. You got nice little box, uniform, all around. This material, it's got a little pull tab here. So let's do that. Nice. Okay. Sleeve. Skate's already applied. Interesting shape. Get this all the way pulled out. The foam. Let's see what you guys get in here. Get everything straightened out. Here you go. Okay. Open up this here box. We get a cable with the dongle already attached. Rubber backing on the. Oh, that's bizarre. Okay, that's kind of cool. Shimmery. Kind of neat. The cord is high quality. It feels shielded. But it's a stiff boy. Take that off. We got cables. Okay. We got some extra skates. Nice. We have a love letter. Thanks, sweeties. Thank you. We got feels like grip tape. It's not. It's gonna be weird. Grip tape. That's it. Empty box. So pretty bare bones there. I like that. It doesn't waste my money. I like not wasting my money. What a hobby to have if you don't like wasting money. It's not wasting money. I enjoy using these products and playing games. So is it a waste of money? No. Give you a little snap impression here. Quiet clicks, man. Oh, take some force. Oh, look what we got there. We got smooth transition. They're listening. They're doing it. As engineers, hive mind. One's doing it all at once. I like that. What is this? It's like a mini receiver. Oh, fuck. It looks like it's empty. You can kind of see through it. For I hope this isn't a cheapo depot mouse. Okay, feels good in the hand. It's well balanced. We'll see. I'll work on this after finish up those. Thought I'd get the unboxing out since I just got it and the box looked cool. I wanted to unbox it. I have some cool mice from ULX and Poundage that I want to open. The Wheezy and the competition, the ULX competition, competitive. I don't know what it's called. It's their newest, same thing release. I want to open those. And then I got the Sora V2. That I need to get out by year's end. That one is ahead of the others because I feel I can do quick reviews on the others since I have so much experience with their predecessors and there's not much change. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. A little run on ranty today, this morning, tonight. Thanks for watching.